Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate grammar check with ProWritingAid, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate grammar check with ProWritingAid, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the ProWritingAid website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up to create one. Once you have an account, log in using your credentials. In the dashboard, locate the settings option. Click on settings to access your preferences. Look for the Integrations tab in the Settings menu. Select the Integrations tab to view available options. Find the application you want to integrate ProWritingAid with. Common options include Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and various browsers. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen application. For Google Docs, you may need to install the ProWritingAid add-on. Click on Add-ons in the Google Docs menu. Select Get Add-ons and search for ProWritingAid. Click on the ProWritingAid add-on and install it. For Microsoft Word, download the desktop application from the ProWritingAid website. Once downloaded, follow the installation prompts to set it up. After installation, open your writing application. If prompted, log into your ProWritingAid account. Choose your document or start a new one. To begin checking for grammar issues, select the ProWritingAid tool from the menu. ProWritingAid will scan your document for grammar errors. Once the scan is complete, review the highlighted suggestions. Click on each suggestion to see detailed explanations. You can choose to accept or ignore the suggestions based on your preference. For further automation, adjust the settings to your liking. This may include setting preferred writing styles or tone checks. Regularly revisit the settings to customize your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.